If you need music in your YouTube videos and don't want to pay a license fee or risk having your video removed due to copyright infringement, you can either do all the hard work of creating your own music, or you can use the Alborg soundtracks from Track One Recordings. The Alborg soundtrack library has over 100 songs to choose from that anyone can use in their videos. Each track offers a unique mood and feel, so no matter what the subject of your production is, the Alborg soundtrack library will always have the right song for you. Every one of Alborg soundtracks is free to download and free to use in your YouTube videos. Visit trackonerecordings.com and be one of the thousands of YouTubers who have taken advantage of one of the biggest and best free online music libraries for YouTube.